address of the emergency? Hello?
Can you just get someone to come here and check my mummy, please?
Okay, what's your address?
I don't know what her address is.
You don't know what your address is? Okay. Is Mummy there?
Yes, she's on the floor.
She's on the floor. Okay, is she awake?
No, I don't know what she's doing, because I can tell she's not sleeping because she snores.
She's snoring, is she?
She's not snoring, so I don't know what's happening.
Okay, don't worry. What's your name?
My name's B.
B?
Yeah,
Yeah, and how old are you?
I'm 6.
You're 6. Okay, well, you're doing very well. Do you know what street you live on?
No,
No.
but I do live in 3 house.
You live in number 3?
Yes.
Number 3. Do you know in what town you live in?
No, I don't know what house I live in.
You're not sure. Okay, do you know if there's any letters about? Can you see any letters? Do you know where
There's
Mummy
no
keeps
letters, but I
letters?
just need someone to come and save her.
I know, we're just trying to find exactly where you are, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
On the phone for me, B, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So is it definitely number 3?
Yeah, just knock on the door,
Yes.
because
Okay, and is it...
the doorbell's inside. I don't want strangers coming in.
No, that's okay, don't worry. So is it... Does that sound right?
Can you just go into because I think I live there. And I don't know if my door's locked or not.
You don't know if the door's locked. Okay, well, don't worry, because someone's going to be there to help you as soon as they can, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stay on the phone with me.
Who's going to be here?
So an ambulance is going to be there with you to help you and Mummy, okay?
Mohammed, if it's not them and it's just the stranger.
Then I'm going to wait on the phone with you and I'll let you know, okay? So
Okay.
we won't answer the door to any strangers, don't worry.